mo nasar nun ko aka MPP fasa mba konton ani banko dingol min ya lon ko ibe banko kambe be konton na alma kayro kelambe la barka ba ko fonya
abarka ba ke Lamin Jata aning ensadam fala barka ba ke ngal soto nyami ni programme to mbata tila dami wolem 2026 presidential election o te bayla ngaje ko atol alyalang birol confirm le wolem president Adama Baroti bari United Democratic Party le tutanun je bari wol fana yelam biro confirm le wolem honorable lawyer Ousainou Daboti mim yalon ko abe kala rematch le di anin president Adama Barrow ngadati with ensa damfala ensa dafa alayala opponent nyaadi le
baraka bake comme yafa nyame ko mo banne wala rematch between Dingonim Fatima yalom president wa nyim fa journal ko nyinam fanan be kala the same thing lati wala jari min kana wala 2026 o yalam bureau parent journal dongal nam bureau parent journal be parere be luokono ben ñobari ñol patula so ñi lokon tambila ñi fanan jele yalam bureau parent le silang yedala sitala sambe lunga patula be wato patula pour nga dum areno kono ka ñobaron ke so be congratulate la wala baake to mandro minke honorable Ousainou Dabala pour kana ka fu luo kono ko tanke pour aning adimma minke represent arambaro ñobaron ke ko tan so ndol kambe parerim alum we are almost 90% optimistic ko safa nya ko rolong drom
but you go this time abe fatalale because this time abe fatalale ibe parerine kaje ko president Adama Barrow dingoya fama so this time around because it's like fama nyum fana paretal
ha o mo buka fogo ñom bino buka fogo mam pare be afala ko ngina okay mom be boy ndro kala bar ndro ngalon ko ni na do kunyal gibe anim fana ye chances of winning like a prospect of winning wala mo ndola kuma kawo ka fombe wila nga sugi munekan ba mo buga fo dron nyimbe kala nyimbe ka dalilele nati wala e ka wala ke sembodi e ka su yola kan ni aji be folo mbiro men bentol bulu awa fo diata bak bawo a yirwa kol min ke banko kan wodan ma ko ma ta fon ya fon ma ko ni ya si folo e fon la ke fa wafi bayila monda fulan jang sama jang fokata o kan ila do ko la ke wafi o president bi ala do ko ya wafi la ni banko karo bela itara dawra ibala no ano jele jele fulan jang fanan ay dalam min soto wala NPP politician olti ibe do ko bal ibe katola kala agenda wafi ka president wafi molma ka futa molla ini mole kacha bankola kola NPP la policies and program so be atandi la ko be tembo minto NPP lori mbakele nina nan sinal fa nan jibe opposition party ol jang bi isembo be nyadile ni compared to NPP e bay la ko sembo be doari mbakele when it comes to ni NPP suma so be atandi la kontolu be tembo minto rombe majeno le warandi kan pour me passer to jom min kala be budela min bal budel bal yaw otiji ñina mëna dal loti alon min kan
ngata Mr. Jata ya because it's like mo jama ba fokande ko NPP il afternoon UDP honorable Ousainou Dabo Tambindi kato ya mirako ise wole gagneno ni mirido natano aka munta ko be silarino ne kaje ko mbiru dole be nala bot sani Ousainou Dabo nata bari ito fananko iko UDP fananko nyimbe kala surprise leti for NPP ni amira ko min ketanon 2021 wala be kala this time around abe kala fenati mi ya lonkate sotola so ite mune fo
esa barka bake ay ngamara ngafo jande kabini na boss nata jayen sa ko mbir wo mbir nata dol lafta wo mbir wala bak mbir wo mbir tay mbangum kan tol silata men yi mbirol be momo ye pare yenana kilin na ko kilin na folo pour UDP ko di UDP nga folo ko ye mbir wo mbir tombong ye koy male tombong ye dindi wala tombong ye ke bale tombong ye sutu male tombong ntol babu sandilal o lo tale fuka bang na bosse ya fo janko ntol la campagne be diari bak itata banko dawo da moli nyinin ka minna ntol nga wole ke mol kan nyinin ka min kam ntol tara ta mola e kamin fo wala nyinti ko ntol la jang kuran ko na problème wolti nga kuran o jindi dulal to hani mi ta fo buka jo mole wolon mol ko sila ko mi la problème mol bini tata nyim bankun kan mol mu ko sila ko kumbo mol ko e atonde ji ko problème mol ni tara dawoda bi jobi ta kanjel mol ko loptano mi la do ko tolle nga loptan lulu yele nyola lulu loptano lulu tolle nga yele nyola andum be loptano lo kam min nyongoti jam tol kam min ke wala nyinti ko mol ko ye min nyininka mol ka nyininka min nan tol ka woleke wala na pertam baro awafo be diar ni sai wolfa awafo diata bak anda e mol so ko ma min yalon koy be lori bawo nin hani jan sai nin bota jam mo ba fula ko ha tol be na interesse no ka bande be min nyininka la min ka persla ya nyini fo abe interesse jamale no ka abal interesse no ka mol ba fula ko ke di ngol sambak intibab du karangola mol ba fula fenko jamale be kodo soto la miya lon ko ko te di mo karandila e betiya musen jabal mo wol fa min be place o nyile di wol be ngol karangola imo nyi woni nin kal itol fa min ka place o nyini man place o soto fo le di wol be ngol karangola ngo moti je mi mantere le interesse no ka fo ha min be barono ka wolle ka filin ite mi ya lon ko ite man ta filin la no ite mi ya lon ko ay filo mu tamana ne man na sai ite man na ite ko ay filo le bula ite ko filo jela ajanta min kela mun na ite man na ika momo fo ko ni carrément
hana nata fo be opportunity soto la ka baro ka wo silo dal no yalo mo se nano bara ate opportunity soto la ka itandi ko nyin silo le bati ate nyin silo ta
mbe sample mo fla fole wol ko man do ko no ya fo kene ba famu wol ko mo kere ngol let kabi nata nga e wo yisoto pour nga banko do ku mo fula e fenke ya fa tonde mo bur sabal ya donc la sisa ko baro man do ko na karam man futu anata baro ya ana do ko ke ni ayalon ka banta do ko ke no la na jete wo do ko ke ba banko kata banko bu kake kumo kilne ba do kula impossible e kany perta ya be man lon di nyinin ka molle ka fa man quarantaine perta ya hakilo le nyinin ka hakilo perta ya ni story nyinin ka molle afrika be mara wala man kara bay katani hakilo perta baro yo hakilo le soto perta ya hakilo ka fu koy karantal fay e kay tole nyimi ni nata ni hakilo ma wara ite banko samban wala andu momo nata e banko kambi ni sida ni perta baro bi momo perta ya be karandila abe karandila wala tinna banko ni perta baro fu mol sontal ko hakilo le warta wo hakilo tol bitani wol a hakilo le warta ati nyapila moka ate ku ako ko kuna ba kala ta luwa to follow wolon kumoti
okay akumayata inshallah ngatambi isa namba iko atol NPP alba celebrate kan kato UDP nga fractional jejele iko NPP ba celebrate kan iko ha UDP nga toward 2026 is already weakened because high profile defection nga wala jeje bariko United Democratic Party high profile defection meta jele bari amam party nyin jija and the same thing nyimbe kala waleti bare atol be celebrate kan ka je ko United Democratic Party ni molbe bota jasa keno ila sembo se tala atina
the defection min ka defect kala UDP mo party le mi along e katara gi imam party yo imam along dol bi gi imam party yo long they don't know the concept and the ideology of the party party yo conservative party they don't imam falim man de ba kede party lo mi alan ko ni be na karamol kamin fo kamatara ya yele wolo mi alon nyaayele mo mi yaagi nyami ka to wala nyam e buka siro falin kan ni ya falin do ko de jabila so they are very conservative they believe in status quo to remain yaay dol bi je wol natara wala ko well ñande falin ko kala pour fana ngata state house yaay so ni ngakete that will give us opportunity karabula because ngala mo fla pasaba we are engaging them to get them back as soon as possible but in the jikri na ko momo NPP bula they all come back no more diken me ala ko
yo jigo sodo
back alum be ka fara be ken ko de
ni o jigo sodo wodo ite poli bula la jandi bitay bina ite
yalo min ka sabo so mbay ka fenne ngaba yalla momo yela bi sim sodo le dol da mo personal parochial interest la di ku interest lo ite ya ngina ngini do ya je ko masodo I kampata la fangina la monna o ni modi amata kula ama kedro iko defo ba patio bla mostly aka ke walati amaka based on principles you do ma waka patio bla ma principle de it's like ite ngini ma so de you want to go you understand comme defa nga fani almogala mo semen duya ndeba ngini man kete ya mera ko mo ngi de gifo fandi wala ya may ko na MPP ko dole bi je ni tare je kayine ke ina ngi mo wota ragi dari ite me la je bitalal bari amanke ko based on principle kamako patiola tanya ni wala whatever wala nante man la fi o president man tra do kula no that's not true aka minti wala inti ko own interest yo wala fende ni ma soto yagel so we talk to you we see our best you know mari min se keno ni do de keno bari ni do se keno because it's not about what you deserve it's about what you negotiate wala political yemin negotiate draw wala mi tati sometimes it is a jari million la but million mo soro then 500,000 soro yo muta then you go with that
akuma dabake so ngata the appointments of Babakar Ojuf as a defense minister and then auditor general reassigned to the trade ministry diamo siata mi yalonko iko mansakunda lafta the auditor general nyim bondila je drum katung abe minke ka be min expose kam mansakunda man lafi wala so alafta da dundila wala doko wala koto wala tina lafta bondila je mi yalonko aya decline le ako the ministerial position coalition of progressive Gambia and the press release on the science and the rights and independence of the Auditor General must be respected. The coalition of progressive Gambia notes with grave concern recent reports surrounding the attempt by the executive to remove Auditor General Modu Sise from the National Audit Office (NAO). Mr. Sise has reportedly declined an appointment as Minister of Trade, Industry, Regional Integration and Employment, choosing instead to remain dedicated to his statutory duties as Auditor General. The NAO is a cornerstone of accountability and transparency in the Gambia, mandated by law to safeguard public resources and expose corruption and wasteful spending. It is deeply troubling that the government appears intent on undermining the independence of this institution by disregarding due process. The National Audit Office Act 2015 clearly provides that the Auditor General can only be removed through specific procedures, either by a tribunal for misconduct or incompetence or by a medical board in cases of infirmity. None of these conditions have been met. Any attempt to forcefully or unlawfully remove Mr. Sise would not only deny him his rights as guaranteed under the law, but would also constitute an attack on the independence of the NAO and, by extension, on the democratic principle of accountability and transparency. The international community, including the IMF, World Bank, African Development Bank, and the European Union are closely monitoring this situation. Gambians too are watching carefully. Attempts to silence or intimidate the Auditor General will only further erode public trust in government and damage the Gambia's reputation as a democracy committed to the rule of law. We therefore call on 1. the President and Executive to fully respect the independence of the National Audit Office. 2. the National Assembly to uphold its oversight responsibility and defend the legal protection afforded to the Auditor General. 3. civil society and the Gambian people to remain vigilant in safeguarding the institutions that protect our nation from corruption and abuse of power. The Coalition of Progressive Gambians stand firmly with Mr. Modu Sise and the staffs of NAO, that is the National Audit Office. The independence of the Auditor General is not negotiable. It is a right, a safeguard, and a duty owed to the Gambian people. So, in the press release, with regards to this NAO Auditor General Kabondi Kasamba ministerial portfolio to me along Aman Lafala. And then the Ikate Sontanune, Parakaman song, but still Iko appointment morning Abigail inside. And then Akamunta Kala Plazo ya $10 modu so director of internal audit. So kule mi alonko Gambian so ye nyaku ya kuto mi alonko ikodal because aka government expose nyaming corruption mi alonko and what wale mara dogot. So ite nyin ko nyin jenyade.
All right, first and foremost, like in press release, it's misleading because they left section 158 of the Constitution of the 1997 Constitution that explicitly cleared the tenure of Auditor General.
For that tenure bantan.
No, the tenure. You read that clause. They could have it. Well, is misleading because it only removal level. One caveat. Ala D mangefo. You said removal from the office should be misbehavior, incompetency,
misconduct,
and incompetence,
and
which should be established by the medical board
on medical grounds.
Understand? And even judicial committee and misbehavior before I be removed. But now go to the tenure of the Auditor General. Go and read that one also. This would have incorporated that one too. What do you come in at some point can be terminated by the president. Can be terminated. They have 9 years tenure. 9 years. But that tenure can also be terminated by the president. It's there. Go on 1997 for section 158. Go and read and see. You'll see it there. So Mamfuta will follow. But the problem coming for what to go nibe ko kumo for la kana bismi ima life for ye. Salo de modalate. Nimba for la be for fereng. Sila nga ito molbul hakili molbul ya George. But it can have one side of story pick. You know to come and they're all relevant. What you going to one? Say ngana ko for. President wa right to the minister or minister Tombong keke any position to for that is minister of defense case. And we make for an expert into that sector. You know, minister for understand. Yes, if you are an expert in particular sector, it's added advantage. But it's not a requisite, you know,
which section were you quoting?
Conditions.
Which section?
Section 158.
Okay, all right.
And go on the tenure. You go for that on the tenure.
Okay, let's
you understand?
Continue.
All right. Sign, Minister of Defense Tombo, Ministry of Trade, Gye Kenseyat, Motuji. Auditor General Command, and when you sotai ka because Minister ala warta in place noti. Kaje ko be doku kendola. La fela doko sound la sign kabo jankata. Komi ka momo sound nyami. Kabo jankata jang. Remember, it's the same president wole appoint. It is a more
consultation with the
Public Service Commission.
Okay, all right. Okay.
But now you did the appointment because you like it because more kemele be palaso ngirika. Kamen palaso ngirika. But here is another pick out of the lot. The Public Service Commission engage. Kola tanga kacha esala kola. Puru la tanga palaso dila. Ala gifa qualified ala merit and demerit be check. Odo, it is a more young area.
It is a section of min code. Let me read that.
Yes.
In the 1997 Constitution, Section 158 established that.
Yes.
Established the office of the Auditor General and states that.
Yes.
The office shall be a public service office.
Yes.
The Auditor General is appointed by the President after consultation with the Public Service Commission.
Very well.
And is removed only for inability to perform their duties. For misbehavior, or the misconduct, incompetence. Those are the reasons.
No, go for it.
No. Section also outlined the Auditor General must take prescribed oath before assuming office. Yeah.
Okay. It's here.
Okay, you can also read yours.
Yes. Okay. So when it comes to the appointment of the president okay.
Section 158.
158.
Okay, yeah.
Of 1997 Constitution of the Republic of the Gambia, the office of the Auditor General and the National Audit Office. The Auditor General is the head of the National Audit Office and holds a position within the public service. That's what you will stop. All right. So key provisions of section, key provisions of section 158 includes appointment. Now, all right. The president appoints the Auditor General after consulting with the Public Service Commission. Oath. Now we come to oath. Before taking office, the Auditor General must take
oath
and subscribe to the prescribed oath. All right. Now tenure. Now tenure. Here is my contention here. The tenure. The Auditor General vacates the office upon reaching the mandatory retirement age.
Okay, yeah.
All right? One.
Yeah.
Or if their appointment is terminated by the president.
Oh, yeah, it's terminated by the president.
No.
Okay, terminated by the president.
Oh, yes.
In line with this thing.
No.
The conditions.
No.
In line with the conditions. I'm not going president that will let it wrong. I forgot me baile. No.
No. Let me just come.
Yes, sir.
Let me just come.
Okay, go.
There's no ambiguity here. It's very clear.
Terminated by president.
Yes.
Not only terminated by, but
yes,
in line with this condition. You mean large in misconduct and then incompetency.
And then it went for removal.
Okay, continue.
It's where you have the removal there. You have all these conditions. Let's come to the removal now. Removal from the office. Removal can only occur for inability to perform the functions of the office due to physical or mental infirmity or other reasons. You understand? Or for misbehavior or incompetency. That's the removal. But the thing here, they are all explicit clear. Removal is there and it explains everything thoroughly, and also the tenure is there and explain everything explicitly clear. So you come to the tenure, these people, they only bank on the removal. They omit the tenure. It's not a removal last section of the read. You always suffer down, the man tenure not, and they are the key provisions. Includes. So
but you're telling me for the until retirement. Until retirement.
Oh,
president
No.
This office is an independent office.
Let us not mislead. Let us not mislead.
Okay.
Let us not mislead.
Okay. It's a miracle because what people are saying is ñinna doko man sakunda man la fi wala tinay lafta bondi la ji
yalla man la ko refolo ñin la press conference wala jaabi da press release la press release ko la jaabi yo wala sen nga wala fay ko ima ñenna kumo ito la removal de mal fo e tañu tu ko ndaka jël complain yenda tañu fa read la pour mo le yalla ko well president also have the right to do this or that say I Sénégal banko dongol bela bay do le carte ngol karang ikado balay do to ko wala en furan dinginto alright say ngana kolto ni ajibe auditor general la place among individual you are talking about the institution here. National Audit Office is an institution. It's not about individual. Among mo kunkilo wati you understand mbadale kabrin Sankare ya jawala wato around 2015 Sankare do ko ken back audit office fa ya jema ana imam ben fa terminate ala do ko terminate karamba toure nata from Gumbu ya karamba nati ko aje ko maybe karamba be more lenient but karamba become worse to him.
Become worse
to him.
No, ni mo ba do ko kira go become worse.
That's what I'm saying. Wala nang ko ada mira nyamin ko ni nga example na de maybe asikeno example be more lenient to me. But when yara fa wala fa na jaw ya hana de mi fa ma ko karamba is the worst, but karamba become worse to him ko yaji go karamba le wo 697 million exposed remember was special account of 2012 law security account to wala atala flag out karamba ni president baro continental because 2016 president baro nata for ala tenyu nyimbang you understand mo wado ko nga audit report jelle gi melo ka kalde aka finti bin karamba la tenyu banta maybe mo non zamane ko sa ko banta mo si c'est president wala tombo aya police have ko ya place o dia but have do ko min nabi jumala maji everybody have seen it Foka president wala ya tombo foka president wala ya tombo wala mo nginti ko amanyene kala do ko ke ba hanni yeta exam balon na de on de exam dam fala na mi mo be yen lonko NPP la lieutenant no min yenka auditor generality I'll be different person because no, prescribe
don't go ikamin for iko man sakunda lafta min nati la maybe lafta wol wobe kela molati mi ya lonko isa manipulate no
at ita keno la because mina bige you know what amundala ko IEC la kiamano be nyami IEC Kiamano is the last person to know the result. It's the last one to know the result. Result from the village. ay da ko wodo to mo be celebration o lay ko garda winta amam futa folo kiamano la maybe o soma la tamina futa la tablo kan he cannot alter that one among actually about tablo kan ko this is it you have to sign the result you announce
but otito general report do se puntino mi yalon ko na lafta sa singoloje
hani
asa
keno
ata
keno because min bija ata federal na go na tra se keno num mo si se president ta tombonna you understand I na ka man sa kundala kulo wanyal bara atale atombon anda jela ko yesen tombon ne en ke jambalo mat
ya no se mo tombon no kan ya jamme ya ite ya jamme la ko ya mo tombon ya mi ko ninga nyi nati maybe
bar fo na le kele ba
gawale boy
wala na ko wala na mi fo I understand ko
all right
it's about the institution it's not about individual ye mo ke je ni da ke je ni kam ko pour ni ndala kuriya ko nata asongolo akang asongot ada asongolo akang kadu wala doko mu nyede wala ndiko check and balance to make sure ko oversight ni ay tarage masakunda la tana ni nanya because in fact that is helping the president kalon ko jumale ko because adamandra do abeto wala na ay sementu ya ay audit office bula mo buke haras mo buke problem ay sementu ya
so nyin diamo be ako hati tani aman lafi
yala wo jelem ko di ngo
aman lafi
diamo ni it was at the form of Sicily asabu this is very simple
ikate sonta
no mimbi je mina katale asabu you know what
asabu nyadi
brim president be appointment ko la father social media baba appoint la kon la peke la ministre de la father social media la afoji fayaji social media it was not there ye command la mo fula iko ko nyine keta bonko no nyine keta kodi ison dawo imanso yes almo flotte wala bon president wala diamlal dolko asondale
so this is very
no I'm coming
ndele laftanum ndele laftanum so na sontanu na tera wala keta ndele sonta so appointment ngalon ko no president nte laftan tula mbedami it's very simple amuru ligue
look I'm coming fayel la ma nyedo man go the reason ko reason male ni sabu nga jele ko ndila sab bring appointment o keta manke social media akadal mo fula tema wala mo saba tema kodi ida ya accept because ikoya I accept party for la swearing in days they talk about that according to I will do the needful nga acceptance the draft nga nati but if you went to your office you start exposing everything to social media kadia mo be safaro everywhere what is very incompetency what is lack of respect to the highest authority idin alfa buka dum ko na le ku ko cha mi alon ko fen ko dila ite bi dalo le ko expose many people be jande appoint they decline moma moy ni ngare ye appoint ko lotte ke ko your excellency with due respect ndelo to yembula jam ñin place thank you very much I'm declining
government
ya no ilamay
ni man sakunda
no
hani appointment no ketale foka pare so sa ite fo
hani minan because I accept it
yeah
I accept it wala ne fananta ya announce yere announce but not ko blata kay ko ye hani the your excellency no I'm declining sorry man la fi it's no need for me to go tomorrow sir jam fa ngatu ge ngat not blato I think I can serve in that capacity better I ko ay kala do ko yalla mo ta moy la you understand ni momo e press liso bondi wala ka ko ngakar appoint amla ko no but yenda ko man la I decline outright ma fa ko man la fi so I do not accept ndanga yang kumandile ko ni yang offer ni la mal le ko fo ta ko hani bari you took later
so ite nyin saga ni ite amira ko nyin settle no nyaadi
min kata ge mo wala explain kan ko a problème be mo si sele asabu is very incompetent because incompetence immunity ko wala ini mo buka diamu ko in private ita ay ko divulge ka foko social media it's very sign of incompetency 1 2 kamila de sonta asonde ka place ta ye mo len nominate yo fana appoint al place as a new incoming auditor general kodi you fana inform ko now you are appointed this position or you are promoted to this position ofana ko thank you I accepted the appointment ofana ba fa prepare to assume that office you see the conflict there say that wrong you understand it thinking for like you ko fi de social media ko ite man so in fact you don't even write a formal letter ka fu ñu ko I decline the offer
ite ensa ila
fa ko na nga ja fi ndira afana nga safaro ka and in fact an official ka safaro okay because safaro follow fi ndira his office this is personal appointment it's not about office it's personal you you should write on your own capacity ya hand over comme ya hand over de bulu nyami ni aje moya mo itele asam bari bida kata ngam fonyo nyinna kata to seek people to seek sympathy or judgment in social media. It doesn't hold any water. Social media te kito kuntuno wala nga courthouse one day.
Ensa yalo nga fen for me yalo nga senata ma because it's like Nyim Fanang is a responsible somebody.
Yes.
I understand. Me yalo ko ya appoint. Ite amira ko I decline minke. Before abina social media ka safe. Ite amira ko ite ila miro ko na fati the rightful authority consultant follow bang.
Nta jele fonko. Kabila de findi da na la letero. Nta ngaje follow Watson Gambia. Ngaje follow Waldo.
But maybe he has already made his consult.
No. Jumale afrandiki.
Okay, demanding for wrong line of an because it's like we're talking about also want to talk about the $2 million registration fee me alongo National Assembly at Tambindi mo Jamalko bari left demanding because line of an gaje ani ma elephant ni itole la time olon
na boss ni la fa demanding fayla je ntenga lonko haninte kabibe ka piarut yele sarol dinna ngana song ni mon song yang kolle ni mon song ko fa ngana boss batu ni mon song ba fa mon song it's very simple fa male sardial ima point dinna ko fa ngaji ko to mo appoint le man le sardila de man di mona ni ma fuje ko tata le man le saro muta mona no mon dalilot it's very simple nko kabele yente la social yenna fen ko ke nko nte fen fola min jamba jamme ay fonyo folo ko yetale ana fota biro to la fota tendinte o ko la kabi woketo o ko lan tanga na sonko nte fana ba place o talale ba ni ma sonje woduma fa motalo na saltalo na ko mon son ni non ko mo ndanga wala je dal
akuma tabake nyim 2 million mi alonko ya lafa party registration fee la mi yalonko iko nying be multi party democracy le nasindi la banko kam munatina ni man sakunda be kana nomination fee $1 million party registration $2 million kule mi yalonko iko ni man sakunda dal il left democracy le nasindi la banko ko ite amera ko muné be ni
wol form of democracy long when democracy nasindi la this is not a child play ta ni so prikono be ni nka IEC ka bata jelle ke pour kanyum ballot drum sol be dada so ni la tak la présidente it should be at the
because government ko sani politico is fully for the rich and the powerful
no
and abe criminal criminal enterprise thing for encourage into party politics because party became a source of funding in reveal okay so sanya ni criminal enterprise ya foko okay Lamin Jata he left the party lola ya lonko Lamin Jata sembotable you understand Lamin Jata sembotable bari ngalonko you have the potential near party law ise banko nyintano and Lamin Jata kodo table you okay this is a criminal enterprise ntolbe sponsorale he left the fengo fenla registration and nomination fee we will responsible all your campaign and everything you understand barini ganyeta this is the deal this is the deal you understand ndol fana mbenna kool kelale you understand Lamin yeson because there is no at party funded nyata ata follow jumale kododina ata aina bankota what are criminal enterprise ni le abambu iko nying this is dangerous
okay yes so demanding give me minutes let me just clarify yalo maybe play tom hani sign there's no restriction more to jam party jam me alon ke ba folo ko you are disclosing your source of funding apri dia party malakala source disclosure no party but is it that the Lansing Kabo Kebita Kodikuru Dunlela campaign? It's left to you. It's any more campaign come sponsor. Let them give you Miloita status, but neither I gave Bankola Kodokana Marawal. You have to go and find GPPA. Go and console Yamatamakai. Neither I let a contract with Jalkade in the Esala. Imantana Silola. Contibocanal. Contiboca Bangkoka Taman is Sartola. So neither Molakodomurabul in the pretext code, neither I press the Yala. Ibe contract political committee compensate. You do that. Then you'll be at the front. So for more political man nasi jang. All for let us be responsible. The left president. Alongo is never a child play. 1, 2. IEC fanaka depense bale can you ballot because mandrata can ballot paper. We are using the marbles. mbe berke so la use kan carte fayal ika box on la da wala imagine you have 20 or 30 candidates ila so ka box da wala ka about 100,000 books da wala how many millions of dollars are they cost